Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Acorn only way stairlift at its nearest charging point so the contacts engage. This prevents unexpected movement during reset. Locate the isolation key or rocker on the mains supply, switch it off and leave it off for 10 seconds to clear transient faults. While it is off, visually confirm the mains socket feeding the charger is live. When you restore the key, the charger LED should show green. Never open battery or motor covers unless you are a qualified engineer. Safety first. With the chair correctly parked on a charging point, restore the isolation key and wait 5 seconds for the control electronics to initialize. Using the handset, press and hold the rocker switch toward the direction you want the chair to travel for 3 to 5 seconds. Many faults clear with a deliberate drive command after reinitialization. If the chair does not respond, look for a green charger LED. If it is amber or off, or you still cannot move, switch the key off and call Acorn or a trained technician for a safe diagnostic. If the previous steps do not restore operation, stop and contact a trained Acorn engineer. Persistent fault codes, no charger LED, or unusual grinding noises indicate internal faults. Do not remove covers or attempt battery replacement yourself. The system commonly uses sealed batteries and 24V control circuits that require specialist handling. Before you phone support, note the handset indicator lights, any audible beeps, the charger LED color, and the exact reset sequence you performed. Providing that information speeds diagnosis and ensures a safe repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.